In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and manage dates in a Monday.com board. To get started, open the Monday.com board where you want to track your timeline, deadlines, or scheduled tasks. This could be a project board, a content calendar, a task tracker, or any workflow where dates help keep things organized. Having dates in your board makes it much easier to see what needs attention and when, especially if multiple people are working in the same space. Once you're inside the board, check whether a date column is already available. If you don't see one, go ahead and add a date column. This gives you a dedicated place to store due dates, event dates, or any other time-based information tied to each item. Keeping this information in a proper date column is important because it allows Monday.com to use that data in useful ways, such as reminders, scheduling, and calendar style views. After the date column is ready, find the item you want to update and click directly into its date cell. This will open the calendar picker. From there, choose the correct date for that item. Take a second to confirm that you're selecting the right day, especially if you're planning work around deadlines or milestones. A small date mistake can create confusion later, so it's worth being precise here. If your workflow also depends on specific times, you can add a time along with the date. This is especially helpful for meetings, appointments, launches, or tasks that need to happen at a certain hour rather than just on a certain day. If your team only tracks deadlines by date, you can leave the time off and keep things simple. Once the date is added, you can start using it in practical ways across your board. For example, dates can support reminders, help define deadlines, or feed into calendar views so you can visualize upcoming work more clearly. This makes the board more than just a list of tasks. It becomes a scheduling tool that helps you stay proactive and organized. As your plans shift, make sure to update the date whenever the schedule changes. This keeps your board accurate and helps everyone stay aligned. Outdated dates can lead to missed deadlines or incorrect expectations, so regular updates are a good habit to maintain. That's it. Adding and managing dates in Monday.com is simple, but it can make a big difference in how clearly and efficiently your work is organized.